Well, heading into the Father's Day weekend, not too many overall changes to the weather pattern that we've seen the past couple of days. Each day has a daily round of scattered storms, but neither day is an all-day washout. There'll be partly cloudy skies in between like we had today. Quite warm, quite humid. Temperatures in the 80s, feeling hotter than that with temperatures in the 90s. And like today, some storms may reach strong levels just on an isolated basis, but not a widespread severe risk like what we had last weekend. Mainly lightning, downpours, and strong gusts being the main factors. We're at 86 now. Feels like 91 with that higher dew point. And you can see the temperatures having cooled just a bit over the plateau where showers have moved on by. Elsewhere, temperatures are in the mid-80s, and that feels like our heat index, which we've not brought up much this season so far. We're going to start doing the days ahead. It does feel like above 90, and that'll be the case for the next several days. So going to the evening hours, scattering of showers and storms through the early to late stage of the evening, then diminishing overnight. Not an all-night thing, and we'll start tomorrow with a partly cloudy sky, but again, the better chance for showers and storms like we're seeing today during the afternoon and evening hours. So right now things are picking up quite a bit both north and west of the city. Heavy downpours, lightning being the main risk as all these remain just below severe levels. There are going to be some wind gusts, upwards of 30 to 40 at times, not the entire storm there, but from Dunlap to Whitwell all the way to Sail Creek, heavy downpours of rain that extends northward into areas like Pikeville, Spring City, and just east of Crossville. A lot of lightning with this. And remember, when the thunder roars, you head indoors, all right? And keep that in mind throughout the weekend. Heavy downpours through Marion, parts of Dade, parts of western and parts of Walker County. So downpours of lightning are going to pick up in coverage for the early to mid stage of the evening. So for your evening plans, you got to dodge some of these showers and storms moving on by. Even farther down to the south, stronger line of storms here along Sand Mountain that'll move east with time. It'll bring some soaking downpours for portions of Walker and Chattooga County. Just spotty now east of the city, but that'll pick up again toward mid to late evening. This won't be around all night long. This will kind of move on through very slowly. So because of the heavier downpours, a few spots may experience some excessive runoff. So high-res model does show between now and 8, 9 o'clock. It advances to the east a bit, and by midnight, most of that's moving on out. It's not lasting all night long. Tomorrow's weather pattern is about the same. We've called that rinse and repeat. And we start tomorrow morning with a mix of clouds and sun. By about lunchtime, a couple of spotty showers here and there. And notice in the afternoon, a scattering of storms. It's not everywhere all at once. Some will have some sun and temperatures upper 80s, while others have showers and storms moving on by. So if your outdoor plans, just have that backup plan just in case. It'll be the same thing again for Father's Day. We go through early in the morning, a few showers to start the day, but otherwise a mix of clouds and sun, highs nearing 90 in spots. But again, spotty showers and storms afternoon through the early evening, diminishing with cooling of the air into the evening hours. So for tomorrow, again, a similar situation. Clouds early, isolated lunchtime shower, and then a chance for showers and storms during the afternoon. But in between, it's partly sunny, it's hot, and it's humid. Highs reaching upper 80s. Like today, it'll feel like it's above 90. Same song, different verse for the next several days through Father's Day and early next week. Neither day is an all-day washout, but at times those scattered afternoon storms will chase you inside. But look for highs trending higher to around 90 starting the middle of next week.
All right, David, thank you.